Welcome to the channel, Cooking with Chef Bouka. Please don't forget, subscribe, share, like, tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's get into it. Hi, welcome back. Thanks for checking in, thanks for viewing, thanks for all the above. So today I decided to, you know what, I'm gonna do a curry octopus or a curry squid, whatever you guys call it. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking like, I should do that with some white rice. Not gonna do the white rice tonight, but let's check the ingredients out. So first, energy food, you know what I say? Good for your body, you know, good for everything. Ladies love when you eat these, extra energy, you know what I'm saying? So this is 2 pound baby squid or baby octopus, whatever you call it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you what I do. It's come already cleaned, but I open out these pouch and extra clean, because this is kind of like where all the crap stayed in, so I open it up and extra clean it out. Some people don't eat that, but nothing go to waste in this house. We try to, you know, eat as much as from the fish or the squid or whatever it is, to let it don't go to waste. So what I do, I wash this off a couple of times, you know, squeeze half a lemon in there, let it sit in the water for like 10-15 minutes. Then I strain it off. Because you know it's kind of fishy anyway, it's going to smell like fish. So that's what we kind of do to kind of reduce the fishiness inside of it. So what we're going to do, we have our curry here. 1 teaspoon. We got salt and pepper with a little bit of obe right here. And then we got that VIP marinade that you guys already know. It's on the channel. What's going on with that? So I'm going to marinate the squid, aka octopus, in here. You know, put a little bit of garlic in here too. Get that going. Alright. So I'm going to marinate this up, and while this is marinated, we're going to introduce the rest of the ingredients to you guys, okay? Make sure so you try to get all that liquid out of it. Yep. And this don't need to sit for a while, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to curry this up, and then I'm going to burn some of the curry into the oil. Get it going. You'll see. And this kind of cook real quick. If you try to overcook it, you're going to have a problem. You have to cook it a little bit longer, okay? And these are the baby ones, so these tend to cook like a little quicker than normal when you're working with it. So, you know, let's put some of this in there too, because I like pepper flakes. I like spicy stuff, you know. Curry octopus. You see this a lot in Jamaica. You know, I used to grill them and eat them. And in Jamaica we don't get them this small, you know. We get them a little bit bigger. It's alright, so while that's sitting here, do what it does. Finish with the rest of the ingredients. So I got some coconut milk right here. Half a cup of coconut milk. This I'm going to squeeze at the end, finishing touches to kind of kill a little bit of that, you know, fishy taste. I got bay leaf. You already know bay leaf give off a lot of flavor, help reducing the fishiness into the fish or whatever. I got fever grass. This is just for like lemon kind of flavor, like, and give you a different kind of taste towards it. Normally when I do seafood and stuff, I try to put a little bit of this in there. You know what I'm saying? Fever grass, you guys call it. We call it lemongrass over here. Alright, our Thai guys or Japanese or Asian guys call it lemongrass. So we got some okra, we got peppers, onions, and we got some escallion or some scallion. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to get the movements going right now. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to start sweat this off into the pot, get it going. Then I'm going to add the squid, get it going, add some more pepper, a little more garlic, flavor it up. When we come back, we're going to get into that. So, alright, so we're going to get this, you know, medium hot pot. You don't want to get too hot. You know? And I'm putting everything at once right now. You know? Okra and everything, get it going. You know? Just like that. Little bit extra garlic in here. Love the cooking garlic. Okay. A little bit of salt as well. And don't forget, this is kosher salt, so it's not as salty as iodine salt. You want to put a little bit extra in here if you plan to use kosher salt, okay? And as we talked before, that I'm going to burn some of the curry. I'm going to get into that right now, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about, alright? Grapeseed oil, a little bit right there. Then I'm going to put some of the curry right there as well. You know? And normally when you burn, the curry kind of release some of the flavor so it doesn't taste like as, you know, like you're eating raw curry. You know, so I normally try to burn my curry in whatever I'm doing. Even when I marinate that, before I add any liquid to it, I kind of cook it off in the pot a bit. Yeah. And this go well with rice, or this can go well with some boiled banana, dumpling or yam. I already know. Or this can go well with some festival too. You know what I'm saying? And meanwhile you're kind of cooking this, you're gonna see like the okra gonna be giving off a lot of the slime or the liquid, whatever you guys call it, or the sinews or whatever you guys want to call it. It's gonna give off a little bit of that as well. But don't worry about that. But everything's gonna cook down and look all real nice. So that's what I'm kind of looking for right here with the veggies. Yeah, put it to the side. And I'm coming with the octopus squid right now. And this cookery is a really quick cook pot, so I just want to know how to deal with it, you know. So I put all the veggies on top. Yep. You can already see when they start changing colors and kind of get a little purple, bluish, reddish. You know it's cooking quick, alright? Oh my god, it smells real good. See that? It's kind of get firm, and instead of they were lying down, they kind of coming up stiff. Yeah, that's what happens when the heat touch these. You know? They open up, look at that. Nice. Alright, so we're going to let this go a little bit. Sear off a little bit. I'm turning up my fire a little bit more. Not fully high, but you know, to kind of make sure I lose all the liquid out of it. And this kind of sear a bit as well. Alright? Yeah. Alright. Alright, as we were talking about, when they cook, they change color. See that kind of bright red, purplish looking color right there? You know I'm color blind, so if you guys know what color is it, you know what I'm saying? But just say it, real talk. So we're gonna add the coconut milk in there. And one thing with this thing, after it's seared, it gives off a lot of water as well. So you don't need to add any water in here, okay? Yeah. Coconut milk in here. Now it look like we're doing something, right? Look nice, straight. So when we come back now, we're gonna let it cook for like 10 minutes, and then we're gonna check it. When we come back, we're gonna look what it, you know, it look like. All right, look good. So yes, we are set. Baby octopus, coconut milk, curry style, lemongrass, okra, a lot of vegetables in there as well. So as I was saying before, the way they swell up when you just put them into the pot and they're ready, they shrink in size, alright? And they look just like that when they're ready. You know, they're soft and nice. They're ready to go. So I'm gonna set up a little plate. A little plate. Normally we eat this with some dumpling. You know what I say? Yam banana or curry. We normally do curry with a lot of rice too. So you could do some rice with it. And when you make curry, you gotta make sure you have a lot of like sauce with it too as well. You know, cause the sauce goes well with it. So when we come back, we're gonna bring the presentation to the presentation table, and we're gonna get back with you guys. But it smells real good. Energy food. Don't forget it. All right. So we say curry octopus, lemongrass, okra, coconut milk, vegetable. Check out the final dish. So yeah, man, that's how we deal with it. But normally when I'm having it, squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in there. You know? To kind of kill the rawness and give it a more flavor, that kind of look with the sourness to kind of play with the palate as well. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so try this at home. I'm sure you're going to like it. I know you're going to like it. Don't forget, you know what I'm saying? Keep watching, keep supporting the channel, growing slowly. You know, we're not crying for anything. We just appreciate what you guys been doing. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe, share, like, leave a comment. You know, let something we want me to cook, let me know. You know what I'm saying? If it's possible, we're going to execute it. If it's not, we're going to let you know. Stay tuned. We got a lot more coming. That's the end of the video. Don't forget, like, share, hit the notification bell. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Peace.